Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today in this video, I'm gonna unbox and review Zebronics Zeb-Juke 7400 soundbar, which promises the best audio, which is the 5.1 soundbar. So let's check it out. And before we start it, do not forget to like and subscribe my channel. Inside the box, we get a quite heavy setup. The main source is the soundbar, which is a sleek design with a premium finish. And here we got the subwoofer. It is a dedicated unit for that deep bass, and we also even get the two rear speakers. These are the game changers for true 5.1 surround sound, and we also even get this remote control to manage all your modes and volumes. Friends, you will also get the cables and mounts, which is HDMI, ARC, AUX cables and the wall mounting kit. There are also the options on the side. Here's the power button and the volume up and down button, and here is the reverse, and you also even get the pen drive option. If we talk about the build quality, it feels the solid for the price. It has a glossy black finish that looks premium under the TV if you connect with TV. And on the connectivity front, the Zebronics hasn't skipped anything. You get Bluetooth, 5.0, USB, aux, optical, and most importantly HDMI, ARC for a seamless single cable connection with your smart TV. So now let's get to the most important part, the sound testing. I'll play an action movie sequence first to test the surround sound and then bass heavy track. So let's start it. So friends, I have played this song. Let's even increase the volume. It's now 18 and it's now playing on the, I select the music mode. This is the music mode. Friends, as you can hear, the bass is very loud. I just decreased the volume. It's really very loud. Here you can even change into the new sports movie. Let's even play some movie clip so that we can hear out even the movie clip. Friends, if we look at the sound or the bass, it actually punches and literally vibrates the room. And the final verdict on, from my opinion, if your budget is around 7,000 to 9,000 and you want a cinematic experience for movies, gaming, the Zebronics Zeb-Juke Bar 7400 is a fantastic value for money choice. And if you found this review helpful, then hit that like button and subscribe for more tech reviews and unboxings. Friends, for Republic Day, the sale is live, so check in the link in the description for the current best price. And thanks for watching. Bye.